Hi, I'm Michael, an elite tasker on Taskrabbit, and I'm here to walk you through your home maintenance list. Keeping your home in good shape is no easy task. From winter to summer, there's always lots to do. Maintenance is key to keeping your home in great shape and can help you feel better, save money, and prevent major damages in the future. You might ask, what regular maintenance should be done on a house? Well, I've got some tips on how to keep your home in tip-top shape with a home maintenance checklist. Keep your kitchen tidy. Clean the sink, fridge, and oven range with water and baking soda. Inspect electrical appliances for wear and tear. Check cords and outlets. Look for peeling, chipped paint on both the exterior and interior of your home. Paint where needed. Clean up your outside space. It's important to keep trees and hedges trimmed, as well as maintaining things like patio furniture or your pool. Check grout on all your tiled surfaces and touch up when needed. Organize your home as best you can, ensuring you can find any items you may need. Check your furnace filter and clear it to help save on energy costs. Unclog all drains throughout your home, including showers and sinks. Check your home security system, if you have one, to make sure it's in working order. Fill any holes or cracks in your walls with spackle. Tend your lawn and garden if weather permits. Clean your common living spaces regularly, whether it's bedrooms, living rooms, or bathrooms. Replace the batteries in all smoke detectors or carbon monoxide detectors. This list is a great starting point for basic home maintenance checklist. While this checklist can be used as a preventative maintenance checklist, you may be looking for something more focused on time of the year. If that's the case, stay with me for more seasonal checklists. Let's talk summer. Summer home maintenance typically centers around temperature and outdoor maintenance. The summertime is often spent indoors in the AC or outside enjoying the sunshine, so it's important to pay special attention to these areas. So, in addition to a general home maintenance checklist, I would recommend you do the following. Ensure your air conditioning units are functioning properly. Inspect windows and doors for leaks. It's imperative to keep your home cool. Clean your grill and replace the fuel, whether it's gas or charcoal. Let's talk about fall. Fall maintenance is similar to summer maintenance, including a mixture of indoor and outdoor needs. However, fall maintenance differs in that it's secretly winter preventive maintenance. Fall is the perfect time to prepare for cold weather before the elements get too intense. Be sure to clear gutters of debris and rake leaves. Seal gaps to prevent animals from nesting. Shut off outdoor water supplies, hoses, and faucets to prevent freezing in winter. A winter home maintenance checklist rounds out the preparation you've done in fall. There's minimal work to be done outside besides snow removal and de-icing, so you can focus on staying cozy inside. Ensure your heating systems are in good working order. Store all outdoor furniture and clean up outdoors. Check your security system, especially if you plan to travel for winter holidays. Now let's talk about spring. Spring maintenance is the one you're familiar with, the annual spring cleaning. Building your spring home maintenance checklist should revolve around both indoor and outdoor maintenance. There should be a strong focus on cleaning out your home to avoid common springtime allergens. In addition to the general maintenance checklist, clean your entire home, remove dust, pollen, and other allergens. Repair doors and windows so you can be sure to let fresh air in. Prepare your AC unit systems for the upcoming hot weather. Inspect your roof for any damage occurred during the winter. Clean out your garage and oil the door tracks, which may get stiff during winter. So before you go, remember, a home maintenance checklist can help you keep things in order both indoors and out, so you can relax and enjoy your home as much as possible in every season. But if home maintenance isn't your thing, you can find me and other taskers on Taskrabbit.